If you're mesmerized by stories where sparks fly and foes turn into lovers, you're in the right place. And don't worry if Turkish isn't your first language, every drama on our list comes with English subtitles to let you dive into these passionate tales. Ready to explore the top 10 enemies to lovers Turkish drama series of 2025? Let's dive in. 10. Sen Kol Kapım, Love is in the Air. Sen Kol Kapım enchants us with the story of Eda and Serkan, two stark opposites forced into a fake engagement. Their initial disdain is palpable as they navigate their arrangement with bickering and banter. But beneath the disputes, a genuine bond forms. Watch as they move from denial to deep affection in a setting filled with romantic backdrops and comedic mishaps. Curious how their pretense might turn into something real? This series promises laughs and love. 9. Meryem. Meryem offers a gripping tale of misunderstanding and redemption. After a tragic accident, Meryem finds herself accused of a crime by Oktay, the ambitious prosecutor. Their journey from courtroom adversaries to complicated allies is fraught with tension and twists. As secrets unfold, they question their beliefs about justice and love. To unravel how their turbulent interactions lead to unexpected love, tune into Meryem. 8. Hırkay, the Innocent Love. Next is Hırkay, where the winds of revenge bring Miran to the doorstep of Reyhan's life, intending to destroy her family. However, Miran's heart betrays him as he finds himself falling for the very target of his vengeance. Set against the mystical backdrop of Midyat, this drama weaves a complex tapestry of destiny and passion. Watch Hırkay to see if love can indeed rewrite the stars. 7. Hayat Sen, You Are Everywhere. In Hayat Sen, Selin and Demir discover they both own the same house and must live together while battling it out in the corporate world. Their home becomes a battleground of wits and wills, setting the stage for hilarious scenarios and touching moments. As they try to outdo each other, their antagonism slowly morphs into attraction. Find out how their story changes from a fight for territory to a fight for each other's hearts. 6. Kalpat, Heartbeat. Kalpat features Eylül and Ali Asaf, who find themselves reunited in a hospital years after a tumultuous school rivalry. Now as doctors, their competitive nature reignites, but so does their old spark. Watch as they navigate life-or-death situations while exploring the scars and vulnerabilities that draw them closer. Their pulse-racing romance will keep you on the edge of your seat. 5. Yargı, Family Secret. Yargı delves into the lives of Ilgaz and Selin, a prosecutor and a police officer entangled in a complex murder case that hits too close to home. Their professional boundaries are tested as they uncover layers of lies that challenge their perceptions of right and wrong. To see how they handle the truth about each other and their families, Yargı is your go-to drama. 4. Baht Oyunu, Twist of Fate. In Baht Oyunu, Ada's belief that only her first love can bring her happiness leads to a desperate partnership with Bora, her boss, whom she initially despises. Their back-and-forth banter provides plenty of laughs and swoon-worthy moments as they tackle life's curveballs together. See how their accidental partnership teaches them about life's true fortunes. Treat Kar De. Set in the turbulent 1970s Istanbul, Kar De follows Mahir, who enters the legal world to prove his father's innocence but ends up emotionally entangled with Ferid, the judge. Their relationship faces moral dilemmas and societal judgments, intensifying their conflict and connection. Witness how their fight for justice brings them unexpectedly closer. 2. Maral. Maral is a tale of Selil, an ex-soldier turned bodyguard, and Mahur, the woman he vows to protect. As they confront external threats, their initial hostility gives way to a deep mutual respect and love, revealing their inner vulnerabilities. Join them to discover if love can truly heal all wounds. 1. Hudud Se Sevda, Boundless Love. Our top drama, Hudud Se Sevda, explores the lives of Leela and Kerim, fierce competitors in the business world who must collaborate on a high-stakes project. Their battle for supremacy evolves into a deep understanding and fiery romance, proving that sometimes love knows no bounds. Experience their passionate journey from rivals to soulmates. There you have our top picks for the most thrilling Enemies to Lovers Turkish drama series of 2025. Each series showcases the beautiful transformation of conflict into love, proving that the path to true affection often starts with a spark of discord. Which transformation touched your heart the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more drama updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time for more captivating stories.